Hi, my name's Doug Walsh from Position Property and welcome to Parkside, Yeronga. In today's market, not every development cuts through. Parkside has set a truly new benchmark. JGL Properties had a vision for this former EDQ site, to bring together industry leaders and collaborate and deliver a new residential neighbourhood. Positioned just 5 kilometres from Brisbane CBD, Parkside Yeronga transformed a former government site into a vibrant master planned community, delivering dozens of new homes across a diverse connected precinct. Parkside by JGL was a vision, and it's now brought to life. And the result? A complete sellout prior to final completion. Position Property developed a compelling sales strategy to maintain consistent inquiry, ongoing demand and price escalation across each of the 4 delivery phases. Importantly, the project resonated deeply with its target market, a mix of downsizers to local families and professionals seeking low-maintenance luxury living. Success like this doesn't happen by chance. It comes from aligning the right product with the right positioning to the right audience. Following many years of concept development, Parkside embodied what today's buyers are really looking for: connection, lifestyle, design quality, and long-term value in a blue-chip inner-south location. With major investment across the precinct and continuing growth into the Brisbane 2032 Olympic Games, Yeronga is fast becoming one of the city's most compelling lifestyle destinations. Projects like Parkside are not just meeting that demand, they're shaping it. Parkside Yeronga is a standout success story, a perfect example of what is possible with clever strategic alignment. With our final stages approaching completion, our new owners can't wait to move in.